Mr. Wan, thank you very much for sparing us some time here at SNEC.
Yeah.
What I clearly wanted to ask you was what are the developments with three-phase inverters and how they relate to both the utility scale market, and I'll come back to the commercial market. So give us an idea where we're going with three-phase.
Ginlong Solis had been more than 10 years on the market for different type of inverter. So we had been gaining a very big market shares worldwide for our residential size string inverter. Before most of utility sized PV farm and commercial installations, they use our central inverter. But now it's becoming more and more for the string inverter. And this year we are pushing our 36K new string inverter to the market, because everybody know for string inverter it's producing more, but cost-wise, still it cannot compete with central inverter before. But today, with the new technology we using our new models, we can really compete our string inverter price with central inverter price. So that will be a revolution for the whole inverter market, hopefully.
So just so that I'm clear, you've taken the cost out with design of a three-phase that's now competitive with a central inverter.
Yeah, that's true. We have still keep a very high reliability, with Solis inverter, which we are famous for. But we have done lots of optimization for design, because always the technology push the inverter industry ahead. Yeah, so that's what we have done. We have to use lots of new technologies for the high efficiency. So use a new topology, new components. So that bring down the cost of the string inverter to the same level as the central inverter.
Okay, so what's happening then with the commercial rooftop market? If you're bringing the cost down there for the utility scale, what's happening on the commercial side?
That will be even more, because for the commercial installation, there are lots of commercial buildings which you have lots of angles, lots of the shading things. So for that kind of installation, string inverter even more suitable, technical wise. Yeah.
And you mentioned your market's expansion over the years, from residential into commercial and now utility. Can you give us some idea of where we are on a shipments level and growth of the company?
Basically our main market is still European markets. American, we are gaining lots of market shares, and Australian wise. So for we only know the data for January, February, we're definitely top 3 for the inverter export from China. So it has been a very good increase for us as well.
You mentioned obviously overseas markets, but we're now going to hopefully see the growth in China of the distributed generation, which will include commercial, certainly commercial. Do you feel they're going to be a strong player in that?
Ginlong Solis had been a big name for the reliability, so we were very focused on the international market. But now we move back to China, because China start to launch the new feed-in tariff, as everybody knows, for the distributed net PV system. So we moved back about 1 year ago, and last year we already finished more than 30 big commercial megawatt size project in China. So it's also a big step last year for Ginlong in China market.
Do you expect to see real strong growth for you in the Chinese market?
Oh yeah, definitely. There's a few reasons. One is this year China sets 17.8 gigawatts for target. So the overall market for Chinese PV markets is getting bigger. This is point 1. The point 2 is now the market also looking for a more reliable, more stable, and a more efficient inverter. So which Ginlong had been more than 10 years of experience in the international market. The third thing is we had seen a big change for market before. Market may be looking only for the cheapest inverter on the market, but now they are looking also for the performance together with reliability. So for Ginlong Solis, it's a big chance.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mark.